Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Back on this porch, I kind of called it a steampunk type porch. Maybe that's not it, but anyway, I'm putting in my middle uh, post, and as you can see, this one, these holes are drilled all the way through. This will make it easier. I can feed the rod from this side all the way through, and I'm going to drill holes in there. I've got a pattern set up to drill these, and then the wrought iron will go through there. It's already painted black and all. And what I'll do, I'll take a little piece of dowel rod, hammer in these holes, and that way it won't move, and I'll have just a little bit of glue in each hole to hold the rod in place. And in the center spot, I'm going to put a board, and then I'll put white vinyl siding to correspond to the white house. And they may put vinyl on it at some point, I don't know, but it's getting there. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.